Camera没有？
When is the photographer?
该。
Yeah, it's okay.
Hello。
Go on, go.
Maybe
stay here and then.
大家把我的名字。
Yeah, we cut the rib. Are we ready? Yes. Yeah. 今天我的朋友那个今天。
Such an honor to be here today, and also I'm very pleased to meet the mayor and police chief to be here to be able to participate in open house today, great open house. So it's a blessing to our people, and also I've been traveling many times to the States, but I've never met the mayor. But today I think it's a special blessing to me, and also to meet the police chief here today, and also the American people, to see also the community leaders and the Korean people in a free country in the States. So it's my heart is filled with delight, and I'm so impressed with whatever we do here. And what I want to say to my people, and life is not easy, because you have come a long way from the war zone to the refugee camps and to America, to a free land, a land of opportunity. But never take this freedom as granted. We all have to value freedom. We all have to think about the health of the American people, the health of the American government, that providing assistance to our refugees and to our people, and especially young children here. You have good opportunity to have good education. So you come to a very blessed country, and so make use of your time, and you still have your people back home. So that you have to go back and help them. Freedom is not free, we all know, but freedom is costly. But once you're in this country, a blessing to this country, because we know, when you come to a country where you have good education, you have good opportunity, you have freedom, but you still have to think about people back home still fighting for their freedom and self-determination and democracy. So at home we're facing all kinds of troubles, and people are being displaced, and we're chased by the Burmese regime and also Burmese army, but never ever give up for freedom. But without freedom, people cannot live without freedom. And now you come to this country, you have become Korean Americans, and even though you're Korean Americans, you can be a blessing thanks to the American government. And also we always have to keep in mind that life is not easy, but life is sometimes just like riding a bicycle. To keep balance, you have to keep moving. Without moving, you cannot not moving forward. Without moving forward, you cannot keep your balance. We people, when we are here, we think about all the blessing. We have to teach our children about where we came from, and also the blessing that we get from American government, and all the things that the American people have done to us can never be forgotten. And I know the community leaders here, they have connection, just like police chief said, you have to connect with the society, have get to adapt to the society so that we'll be able to sustain our lives and to be able to improve our lives just like other people, just like the non-American people. That's why we need to have a connection and talk with the police chief. She's very open and she's one of our community that we give security. Security is important for our Korean people. So to make the story short, I would like to say thank you to all of you. Thank you to the mayor. Thank you to the police chief. Hope we have the best for our people and the American people in the future. And God bless you all. Thank you.
Okay.
You do it now. 1, 2, 3.
Cheese.
Lilia. Name.
Kaya pag gihiday balon, no?